Hello, my name is Scott Douglas from MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the 2017 50 Swift Trawler from Beneteau. We just took this boat in on trade and she is immaculate. You'll notice she has the gray hull. This is a access door for storage that runs the full width of the boat. It's fantastic storage on this boat. You'll notice the teak swing platform. I have a ladder built in underneath this hatch. Runs the full width of the boat. You'll notice twin 50 amps. Let's go inside and take a look. So standing in the cockpit of the 50 Swift Trawler, you'll see you've got a nice seating arrangement here. Teak floor. This hatch gives you access to your storage unit. It's aft. And then this hatch will actually give you access to your engine room. Nice wide steps going up to the Flybridge. And one nice thing about this boat is the high gunnels and nice walkarounds to get to the access to the bow. Standing in the salon of this boat, you can see the beautiful woodwork, light, airy, big windows let a lot of natural light in. You have a great seating area here. TV actually pops up out of here. You see how tall these windows are, let in a lot of light. Moving forward, you'll notice the galley, which is very spacious. Double sink, cooktops, and a little oven underneath. Fridge, pull-out fridge drawers and refrigerator on the port side, microwave above them. Moving forward, you'll notice the nice settee opposite of the helm. Then moving up to the helm area, you notice you have dual Marine screens. This boat is equipped with Volvo IPS drives. One thing I love about this boat is the visibility. You do have a pilot house door off to the starboard side, but the windows up here give you just great visibility for running the boat inside. Let's go downstairs and take a look at the 3 stateroom layout. Now we're standing in the master stateroom, and it's full beam. Big portholes let a lot of natural light in. Off to the starboard side, you have the separate shower. A nice little area here, double closets, and off to the port side, you have the head. Nice Samsung Smart TV, but a great master stateroom layout. It's really roomy. Nice and easy to get around and make the bed on either side. On the Flybridge of the 50 Swift Trawler, you'll notice the bridge is massive. Here you have a little grilling station. Refrigerator, trash can built in here. You've got a great area we can do some lounge chairs or a rubber soft bottom inflatable up here. But it's equipped with radar. Moving forward, you have all redundant electronic systems. So your joystick control for IPS, Marine systems, autopilot, everything. Great seating up here. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. I can be reached at 910-200-9636. Thanks for taking a look today.